Today, we're making balsamic glazed salmon with Italian roasted potatoes and sautéed mushrooms. A simple, flavorful meal ready in under 30 minutes. Let's prepare the balsamic glaze. In a small sprayed pan, sauté the garlic for 2 minutes under medium heat. Add the white wine, balsamic vinegar, honey, and the Dijon mustard. Mix until smooth under medium-high heat for 3 minutes. Reduce to low heat and simmer for an additional 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mixture thickens to a syrup-like consistency. While the glaze cooks, let's roast the potatoes. Cut the potatoes into even pieces. I prefer wedges. What about you? Toss with minced garlic, Italian seasoning, a pinch of salt and pepper, and olive oil. Give everything a nice toss so all the seasoning is evenly mixed. Cook it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. For larger batches, cook it in the oven at 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's go back to our balsamic glaze. It has the perfect syrupy consistency. Strain it for a smooth, uniform finish. Season both sides of the salmon with salt and pepper. Practical chef fact: wild salmon are pink because of what they eat, shrimp and plankton. Halfway through cooking, about 10 minutes, shake the potatoes for even roasting. Brush salmon with the balsamic glaze on both sides. You can cook salmon with just salt and pepper and brush on the balsamic glaze on the end. I prefer glazing before cooking. The flavor is richer, sweet, and tangy. Sprinkle with oregano. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Place salmon and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip and cook covered for another 3 to 4 minutes until fully cooked. nice and crispy. The flesh should flake easily and appear opaque when done. These baby Bella mushrooms are on the small side, so I have them, but you can cut them any way you like. Melt the butter in a pan, then add the chopped onions, and sauté for 2 minutes under medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms and sauté for 2 more minutes. Season it with salt and pepper. Add garlic, thyme, and red wine vinegar. Sauté for additional 2 minutes until tender and lightly caramelized. Now is time to plate. Be creative. Let your imagination lead. I garnished with fresh lemon slices and shaved Parmesan for colorful finish. And that is it. A simple, delicious meal with bold flavor, ready in under 30 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical recipes and new videos every week. Remember, cook smarter,